Have you ever wondered why, despite your best efforts, you still wake up feeling tired and groggy? Welcome to The Update, your go-to channel for insightful tips and practical advice. I am your host, and today we are unraveling the mystery of a good night's sleep. Sleep is not just about recharging after a long day. It's a fundamental pillar of our health and well-being. When we sleep, our bodies go to work, repairing damaged cells, boosting our immune system, and recharging the heart and cardiovascular system for the next day. Now, let's delve into the tips for a restful night's sleep and improved health. First off, establish a relaxing bedtime routine. Start by winding down at least an hour before bedtime. This could involve reading a book, taking a warm bath, or listening to soothing music. The goal here is to signal to your body that it's time to rest. Next, optimize your sleep environment. Your bedroom should be dark, quiet, and cool. Consider using blackout curtains, earplugs, a fan, or a white noise machine to create an environment conducive to sleep. Now let's talk about mindfulness. Practicing mindfulness can help you manage stress and anxiety, which in turn can improve sleep quality. Try incorporating simple relaxation exercises into your bedtime routine, such as deep breathing or progressive muscle relaxation. The role of diet and nutrition in sleep quality cannot be overstated. Try to limit caffeine and alcohol, especially in the hours leading up to bedtime. Instead, opt for sleep-friendly foods and beverages like chamomile tea or a small handful of almonds. Finally, be mindful of the impact of technology on your sleep. The blue light emitted by screens can interfere with your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Try to turn off all screens at least an hour before bed, and consider using a blue light filter if you must use a device in the evening. And there you have it, folks. Your guide to a good night's sleep and improved health. Remember, quality sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found these tips helpful. Subscribe to The Update for more tips and tricks, and share your thoughts in the comments. We'll see you in the next video, rested and refreshed.